Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to use CONCAT function in WPS Spreadsheet. So for example, we have here two columns, first one with names and the second one with last names. If you want to combine the text from both columns, you need to use CONCAT function to do it. So I select this one cell, and after that I type here equal sign and I type here CONCAT. After that I open the bracket, I select the first one text, I press comma, I type quotation mark, I press space, I type quotation mark, then I press comma, and I select the first cell from the last name column. Then I close the bracket and I press enter. After that you can see that the text is combined now and merged from these two columns. So we need to click on this cell and we need to click double time on this square. After that, this function will be repeated for other rows. So in this way you can easily use CONCAT function in WPS Spreadsheet. If I helped you to do it, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel. Please let me know in comment if it's of a problem.